Hi there! In this video, I will show you how to make your own dishwashing liquid from scratch. Set everything including your tools, raw materials, scale, and containers. So, to start with, measure carefully all your ingredients from water down to your preservatives. But before we proceed, always stir or set your scale to 0 before pouring your ingredients. Don't forget to include your container in stirring so that you will only weigh your ingredients. Please refer to your module the percentage and measurements provided. Make sure to work in a clean and sterile workplace. Don't forget to wear your safety gear such as eye goggles, gloves, and mask. So now that you're done weighing all your ingredients, time to make your own dishwashing liquid. Mix as less in water until fully dissolved. You can use any stirring tools in mixing your solution, either glass rod, wooden, plastic, or stainless spoon. Just avoid using aluminum tools for some of the ingredients, such as scents, may react with it. I am using silicone spatula in mixing our solution. In doing big batches, you can use electric mixers. Make sure to dissolve all your gel before pouring your next ingredient. Now is the time to pour your labs in the mixture. Mix carefully until fully dissolved. Now, add your SLS and mix until fully dissolved. Don't rush. Patience is the key. Mix until you can't see visible granules. Now add your caustic soda. Mix, mix, and mix. Time to pour in your CB and Cidea. Mix carefully until fully dissolved. This time, pour your preservative. You can ditch your preservative, but make sure to consume your product right away. For a product without preservative is an avenue for bacteria to grow. I forgot to weigh my scent, so here I am weighing our fragrance scent quickly. Now let's pour our fragrance scent and mix fully. Time to pour in our thickener, the industrial salt or simply salt. There is an interesting science behind this. Salt thickens a solution due to the ability of sodium ions to lower the charge density on the outside of the micelles in your dishwashing liquid. But be careful in pouring your salt, because too much salt will alter the viscosity that you want. This is the tricky part of this formula. Adding enough salt will turn your solution to thick consistency, but adding too much salt will reverse the effect, thus making it very runny again. Now pour into your desired container and label it. Let it cure for a few hours to 1 day to get rid of all the bubbles, then you are ready to use it. That's it! Enjoy using your dishwashing liquid, and if you have further questions, don't hesitate to send us a message at our Facebook page, Skincare DIY Point. Have a great day! Bye!